In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your website's SEO settings to ensure that your site stands out in search results and attracts the right audience. We'll focus on making your site more search engine friendly, which is crucial for improving your online presence and driving more traffic to your pages. First, let's start by accessing the necessary settings. You'll need to head to the settings section on your platform. Once you're there, navigate to marketing and then to SEO appearance. If you're having trouble finding it, no worries, you can simply type SEO appearance in the search bar at the top of the menu. This should take you straight to the area where you can make all the adjustments we'll discuss today. Next, let's discuss optimizing your SEO title. The SEO title is a key element because it appears in browser tabs and search results. This is often the first thing potential visitors will see, so it's important to make a strong first impression. You have the option to customize the automatic format to include your main keywords, which is a powerful way to enhance your site's visibility. Think about what words or phrases people might use to find your site and make sure to include them here. This step is vital for ensuring that your website stands out among the vast sea of search results. Moving on, let's write a strong SEO site description. This description is the snippet that pops up in search results below your SEO title. It's your chance to provide a concise and compelling overview of your website. You'll want to include your brand name and primary keywords to give users a clear understanding of what your site offers. This description should not only inform, but also intrigue, encouraging users to click through to learn more about what you have to offer. Finally, we need to connect your website to Google Search Console. This is an essential tool that allows you to monitor your site's indexing and performance. To do this, go back to the Settings section, head over to SEO, and then click on Google Search Console. Linking your account here enables you to keep track of how well your site is doing in search engines and make necessary adjustments to improve visibility and traffic. It's a great way to get insights into how search engines view your site and what you can do to enhance its performance. By following these steps carefully, you're setting a strong foundation for your website's SEO success. Remember, optimizing your site for search engines is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. Regularly revisit these settings and tweak them as needed to stay ahead of the competition and maintain a strong online presence. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips help boost your website's visibility and effectiveness in the search results.